GTR Z-Tune front fenders. We've got the GTR bonnet and then the GTR front bumper. Holy shit. What do you guys think of doing the wide body on the R34? Right there, you need some big wheels to fit this. Holy shit. Let's get it started. Yeah, boy, here we go. All right, guys, here's the truth. I have a problem. I'm not proud of it. Okay, I'm ashamed. I can't help myself. Honestly, I need help, guys. I have a problem, and that problem is I'm addicted to buying car parts. I've done it again. I bought more car parts. I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing? Honestly, I'm spending every little dollar that I've got buying more car parts. I've got a serious problem. I can't help myself. Just these R34 parts, they're just too good. I just can't help myself. As soon as I see them online, I'm like, yep, buy it. Let's order that. I've done it again. I bought a new part and just like the other ones, it's sitting behind me, behind this garage door. I know you're probably getting sick of this, but too bad. If you're tuning in, you gotta stick through it. You gotta wait. Patience is a virtue, guys. So yeah, I've done it again. I bought another car part. Let's go ahead, let's lift this door. Let's check it out and see what we got next. All right, there she is. Can you tell what it is? No, you can't, can you? She's too well wrapped. You can't tell what it is. Okay, let me know in the comments below if you can tell what it is before I actually unwrap it. Nah, you don't know, eh? You guys don't know. Let's pull her out. There we go. Don't you guys just love these unwrapping videos? Man, honestly, hopefully you guys enjoy it as much as me. All right, let's go. Let's get this started. Let's get this party started. Yeah. Let's get it started. Right. Yeah, boy, here we go. Get that off. Can you see? Can you tell? Can you tell what it is? Yeah, there's a little sneak peek for you guys there. Yeah, boy, this is what we're talking about. Now this is really taking the Skyline to the next level. Oh man, so good, so good. All right, let's get this off. Looks pretty well packaged, pretty well wrapped. Oh man, I'm so excited. It's honestly like Christmas. Like, I actually love this feeling. I think I'm addicted to this feeling. That's why I keep buying bloody car parts week after week. I just can't help myself. Oh, here we go. This is the R34 GTR rear wide body fenders. Oh, now, these aren't brand new. These are second hand, like some of the other parts, but they look like they're in pretty good condition. Now look, I've never owned a wide body car. I've never fit a wide body kit before, so this is really new territory for me. I've seen lots of YouTube videos on how to do a rear wide body, but actually doing it yourself is a whole different ball game, and I'm not 100% sure if I'm ready to go down that road on my own. I may need to pay someone like a professional panel beater to help me fit this, because you do have to cut the arches and you got to make sure that it's watertight and all that sort of stuff. So there is a lot more work with fitting these rear wide body fenders compared to fitting, say, like a front bumper or side skirts, that sort of thing. So this is a whole new ball game. But yeah, I mean, if I'm doing the full GTR kit, you know what I mean, I might as well go all out and do a wide body. So I picked up a pretty good deal on these, but shit, how good. Now this goes sort of on this side. I might just chuck a bit of tape on. We'll tape it up, see, so we can get a good look at it. Hopefully that'll hold there all right, so we can, so you and I can both get a bit of a preview of what it might look like. Now, I'm not actually 100% sure if doing a wide body here in New Zealand needs to be certified, needs a cert. So if you guys do know, if you're from New Zealand, you do know, let me know in the comments below, because that may change things a little bit for me if I need to get the whole car recerted again to do this wide body here. I don't know, I have to probably think twice about getting this done, because doing the whole cert on the car, yeah, I mean, it's probably can't afford that, to be honest. Oh well, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Does it fit sort of down there? Let's go over the arch there. Bit of just a rough preview on how it might look. Now down here, I don't know, it's got this tab down here. I think this might have to go inside the bumper. I'm not totally sure, but shit, it looks aggressive, man. You need some, that sort of lines up right there. You need some big wheels to fit this. Holy shit. Let's have a look back here. Oh man, how good does that look though? Far out, that is wide. Shit, get a look at that. Man, what wheels do you guys think would look good with this kit? I mean, yeah, seeing that on now, that actually looks so good. That actually looks so good. This would really take this car to the next level. You know, if I'm building a show car, I guess I've got to go with the wide body, right? Now look, fitting this thing, yeah, is a completely sort of different new realm to me. But that's all part of the fun, right? Part of a project car is working on it yourself, doing things along the journey and figuring things out, trying new things. But shit, first impressions, looks pretty good, insanely aggressive. Definitely need some, just get a shot from the top. That's how much extra we're adding to the side. Not that much, shit. There's sort of a full shot of the car there. If you see what the other side looks like. Oh yeah, why not? So this is the side with the petrol cap. Oh, the same sort of thing again. These tabs, this tab running down the side here is sort of getting in the way. I'm not too sure if that's meant to sort of tuck under there, but yeah, we'll tape this up as well. The car's covered in fucking dust from doing the side skirts. Shit, she needs a good wash. Yeah, I haven't washed this probably in a year, I don't think, since I first got it. But yeah, that side really sticks out there, but that's sort of where it's meant to go. Stick that there. Stick that there. See if we can get this side. Down there. And then, yeah, that's got to sit pretty much like that, really. Yeah, I think that piece is going to stay there. Let's stick down there. Yeah, boy, here we go. Now look, yeah, she's only held down by tape, but we've got these sort of tabs in here full of focus that are stopping it from having that fitment. Now, I'm not too sure if that's meant to sort of go inside the bumper. I'll get a look at how wide that is. Holy shit, that's insanely wide, man. This is gonna need some massive wheels, some massive deep dish wheels. But there's sort of a look at it there. So this one, see the body lines will line up there, but far out. How good does this look? I mean, I have to do the wide body, right? I can't have these and not do the wide body. Shit, that looks so good. But yeah, this is probably going to need quite a bit of work. As you can see here, there's quite a big gap here. That should be flush. So we definitely need to cut this tab down here. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think of doing the wide body on the R34? I reckon that looks pretty cool. This would definitely take this car to a whole nother level. There she is, guys. The brand new parts for the Skyline. The R34 GTR rear wide body fenders. Insanely aggressive. Gonna need some massive wheels to fit these. Far out. Man, it looks so good. There's not that many wide body GTRs here in New Zealand. Obviously they do come with the GTRs with a wider fender, but I'm pretty sure a GTR isn't this wide. I don't think it comes factory that wide. So, you know, I like being different. I like standing out, and I think this could be it. There she is, guys. We've got the aftermarket GTR rear bumper, got the GTR rear fenders, GTR spoiler, GTR side skirts, GTR Z-Tune front fenders. We've got the GTR bonnet, and then the GTR front bumper. Holy shit. There you go, guys, look at it. Can you see the potential? Can you see what it looks like finished? Just picture it. Oh, it looks so good. Honestly, man, this has been a long time coming. Like, I've had this for 1.5 years. And, you know, it's been sort of gathering dust, and now I'm finally sort of ordering all these parts, wanting to get it done. I'm wanting to get it finished. I'm wanting to get this car up and running on the road so I can enjoy it, and we're slowly getting there. We're getting there, guys, with my addiction for buying these parts. We're slowly piecing together this R34. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think so far, and you think if I should do the wide body. Yeah, I mean, I cannot not do the rear wide body, right? It just looks so good. Completely changes the car, will make it look insane. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this reveal. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Now, if you're enjoying this content and you're loving the journey of the Skyline, go check out this video here if you want to see what's next, and we'll see you there.